Hello everyone, welcome to the Error Mechanism channel. Today's topic is the biography of Ratan Tata. Biography of Ratan Tata. Ratan Naval Tata, born on December 28, 1937 in Mumbai, India, is one of India's most respected industrialists and philanthropists. He served as the chairman of Tata Sons and led the Tata Group, India's largest conglomerate, from 1991 to 2012, with a brief return as interim chairman from October 2016 to February 2017. Under his leadership, the Tata Group expanded globally, acquiring major brands and launching several key initiatives across industries like automobiles, steel, technology, and aviation. Early life and education. Ratan Tata was born into the renowned Tata family, which had already established a long-standing legacy in Indian industry. His great-grandfather, Jamsetji Tata, founded the Tata Group. Ratan's parents, Naval Tata and Sonu Tata, separated when he was 10, and he was raised by his grandmother, Lady Navabai Tata. He pursued his education at Cathedral and John Connon School in Mumbai before moving to the Bishop Cotton School in Shimla. He later earned a degree in architecture and structural engineering from Cornell University in 1962 and completed the advanced management program at Harvard Business School in 1975. Career and achievements. Ratan Tata began his career with the Tata Group in 1961, working at Tata Steel, one of the group's largest companies. Starting as an apprentice, he gained hands-on experience at the shop floor level. He gradually took on greater responsibilities across different Tata companies. In 1991, he succeeded J.R.D. Tata as chairman of Tata Sons, steering the group through India's economic liberalization phase and growing its global footprint. Notable achievements during his tenure include acquisition of Tetley by Tata Tea in 2000, making it one of the largest tea companies globally. Acquisition of Chorus by Tata Steel in 2007, making Tata Steel one of the largest steel producers in the world. Acquisition of Jaguar and Land Rover by Tata Motors in 2008, marking a significant entry into the luxury automobile segment. Tata Consultancy Services, under his leadership, became one of the world's largest IT services providers. Philanthropy. Beyond business, Ratan Tata is known for his philanthropic efforts. As the chairman of Tata Trusts, he has played a key role in improving education, healthcare, and rural development across India. He has consistently emphasized social responsibility and the role of business in uplifting society. Awards and honors. Ratan Tata has received numerous awards, including Padma Bhushan in 2000, Padma Vibhushan in 2008, and Honorary Knight Grand Cross of the Order of the British Empire in 2009. He has also been awarded several honorary doctorates and international awards for his contributions to industry and society. Ratan Tata's passion for the automobile industry is one of the cornerstones of his legacy. Some of his key initiatives in this field include Tata Motors. When Ratan Tata took over, Tata Motors was primarily a commercial vehicle manufacturer Under his leadership, Tata Motors entered the passenger car market with the launch of the Tata Indica in 1998, India's first indigenously developed car. The Indica became a commercial success and laid the foundation for Tata Motors' growth in the passenger vehicle sector. Jaguar Land Rover (JLR) in 2008, under his leadership, Tata Motors made a bold move by acquiring Jaguar and Land Rover from Ford for $2.3 billion. This acquisition transformed Tata Motors into a global player in the luxury automobile segment. Despite initial skepticism, the acquisition proved to be highly successful, with JLR contributing significantly to Tata Motors' revenues and global reputation. Tata Nano. One of Ratan Tata's most ambitious projects was the Tata Nano, aimed at providing affordable transportation for the masses. The Nano, launched in 2008, was priced as the world's cheapest car and designed to make vehicle ownership accessible to lower-income families in India. While it didn't achieve sustained commercial success, the Nano remains an important example of Tata's commitment to innovation and societal impact. Electric vehicles, EVs, Ratan Tata has been a strong proponent of sustainable development. Even after stepping down from active leadership, Tata has influenced the company's move toward electric mobility. Under his guidance, Tata Motors has launched successful electric vehicles like the Tata Nexon EV, contributing to India's shift toward greener transportation solutions. Ratan Tata's vision also extended to the aerospace sector, a field in which the Tata Group has played a growing role. Tata Group and Aerospace. Under Ratan Tata, the group ventured into aerospace and defense manufacturing. Tata Advanced Systems Limited, TASL, established in 2007, is now a key player in India's aerospace sector. It partners with global aerospace leaders such as Lockheed Martin, Airbus, and Boeing to manufacture components and subsystems, contributing to both military and commercial aircraft production. TASL has been involved in manufacturing parts for the C-130J, Super Hercules, and the Apache helicopters. Tata Airbus Partnership. One of the major developments in recent years has been the Tata Airbus collaboration to manufacture military aircraft such as the C-295 transport aircraft in India as part of the government's Make in India initiative. This partnership marks a significant step in boosting India's indigenous defense manufacturing capabilities. Air India. Ratan Tata had long harbored a vision of bringing Air India back under the Tata Group's fold. In 2022, the Tata Group successfully acquired Air India, fulfilling Ratan Tata's aspiration to revive the airline that his family had originally founded in 1932 before it was nationalized. This acquisition is expected to revitalize India's aviation sector under Tata's leadership. Personal interest in aviation. Ratan Tata is an avid aviator himself, having obtained a pilot's license and regularly flying aircraft. His personal love for aviation translated into his leadership decisions, driving Tata's aerospace ambitions. He was one of the first Indian industrialists to actively advocate for India's role in global aviation and defense manufacturing. Ratan Tata's contributions to the automobile and aerospace industries are profound. His visionary leadership transformed Tata Motors into a global force in the automotive world and steered the Tata Group into a significant player in the aerospace industry. His legacy is defined by innovation, global expansion, and a commitment to making technology accessible to the broader population, as well as driving India's growth in key strategic sectors. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Happy learning.